Maintaining health and physical fitness as a student. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is essential for a long and fulfilling life. Regular physical activity, a balanced diet, and stress management are key components of a holistic approach to wellness. Cardiovascular exercise, benefits and recommendation routine. Number one is benefit of a cardio. Cardiovascular exercise strengthen your health and lungs. It improves circulation and reduces risk of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Number two is type of cardio. Choose activity you enjoy such as running, swimming, cycling, or dancing. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity cardio per week. Number three is intensity and duration. Start slowly and gradually increase your duration and intensity as your body moves and your body rests that it needs. Strength training, building muscles and boosting metabolism. So number one is muscle growth. Muscle growth strength training builds muscle mass, which increases your metabolism, helping you burn more calories even at rest. Number two is it improves bone density. Resistance training strengthens bones, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures, especially as you age. Number three is enhance functional strength. Stronger muscles improves your ability to perform everyday activities with ease, such as carrying groceries, climbing stairs, and playing with your friends. Number four is stronger muscles and tendons reduces risk of injury and overexertion. So for flexibility and mobility, improving range of motion. Flexibility refers to the range of motion in your joints. It is important for maintaining good posture, reducing muscle stiffness, and preventing injuries. Mobility is the ability to move your joint through their full range of motion with ease and control. It improves coordination, balance, and overall body awareness. Benefits. Flexibility and mobility improves your ability to move freely, per- perform daily activities with greater ease, and reduce the risk of injury. Um, for the nutrition for optimal health, balanced diet, and healthy eating habits. So number one is macronutrients. Consume a balance of carbohydrate, protein, and fats. Choose whole grain, lean protein sources, and healthy fats like avocados and nuts. Macro Micronutrients, eating a variety of fruit and vegetables to get essential vitamins and minerals. These support various bodily function with contribution to overall well-being. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Hydration is essential for maintaining bodily function and performances. Mindful eating. Pay attention to your hunger cues and avoid distraction and focus on enjoying your food. So for stress management, techniques for mental and emotional well-being. So these are the things we should consider. Number one is meditation. Regular meditation practices can reduce stress, improve focus, and promote emotional well-being, as well as yoga. Yoga combines physical posture, breathing, exercises, and mindfulness, leading to increased flexibility, strength, and stress reduction, as well as nature walk. Spending time in nature has been shown to reduce stress hormones and improve mood. Take regular walk in parks or in the forest, as well as quality sleep. Prioritizing 7 to 8 hours sleep is essential for our body to reduce stress and manage stress effectively. Um, Sleep and recovery, the cornerstone of physical fitness. Number one, it repairs our muscles. Sleep allows our body to repair and rebuild tissue muscles damaged during exercise, promoting growth and strength. Number two is hormonal balance. Sleep help regulates hormones that controls appetite, energy level, and mood. It is important for maintaining overall health. Number three is cognitive function. Sleep is essential for cognitive function, memory, concentration, and learning. It improves our ability to focus and perform at our best. Number four is reduce injury risk. Sleeping deprivation increases our risk of injuries. It allows us to it allows our body to recover properly and prevent overexertion. So for the conclusion, integrating a holistic approach to long life fitness. Physical, regular physical activities such as cardio, strength training, flexibility, and mobility exercises, as well as balanced nutrition. Consume a variety of nutrients, rich food including whole grain, clean protein, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. While stress management, practice techniques such as meditation, yoga, spending time with nature to manage stress levels. And for the last one is quality sleep. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night for optimal physical and mental recovery.